Hi there guys, and welcome back again. I have some energy, so I'm going to pass it on to you guys by doing this video. I'm not quite sure the order of the videos that have actually been coming out. I have posted them in the wrong order, kind of. So, forgive me for that. But, we're going to try and get this bit a bit more finalised. I have started putting some wood on it. So that's going to be getting done. I want to put the logos or emblems on. I'm not going to be putting the ones on the rear, because probably getting some new rear doors. Those are a bit rusty and need to be repainted, so I might just keep them for that. I am definitely putting this front one on, so that's going to be pretty cool. Yeah, we'll talk about that in a minute. Got to go over and see my mate Matt. He's also painted his van, so that's going to be pretty cool. Also, it's sunny. I got shorts on. Yeah. But we need to, I need to fix this. I have actually made like a custom-ish door pull with a zip tie. Boom. That is how I have to get into the rear of my van. But I need me a screwdriver. That emblem needs to go on. I've had it about a week, still haven't fitted it. So I'm gonna do it now. Yeah, loads to do. We will talk about this in a minute. So I'm gonna get this lot taken apart and the new one fitted. So I've already taken the screws out. Get the front off. You've got these little tabs here. We've got one down here, one here, and one here. Need to pop them out, get the old emblem out, which is extremely easy, and then pop the new one, just like that. Pop the front of the van back on, just like that. It is done. Let's put the bonnet down. Doesn't scream in your face, but I like that. That looks awesome. So there's that one done. So I'm going to try, see if I can get these on without breaking anything. All they are is they just go here. So, that was very easy to get out. There's one out. And look at that, that was easy. So I'm going to go around, get all the rest of them done, and I might even look at doing that rear emblem actually. So see you when I get to that. I forgot I haven't painted underneath here. So we're going to have to wait for that rear emblem until we paint the van, because it's the old colour underneath and that's going to look weird. Pleased with that. Like I said, if you are interested, go over to the Facebook page, tell them I sent you, you get 20% off. Why not? I'm going to stop here for a minute because everyone's going down the park and the bikes don't fit in the back of the car. So they're going to go in the back of the van. And then I'm going to pop over and see Matt. So I've got to drop off his wheels. And I'll show you the update on his van. He's actually done more than I thought. And then we can get into looking at why I've got another set of them. And finishing off the woodwork. So, see you in a sec. So the badges are now done and I've taken everyone to where they need to go. Now let's talk about my ride height. As you can see, nice gap. Nice gap. That's because I'm running my 5s again. The reason I've been running my 5s is because the 4s that I have got, or did have, they were the wrong rating. I thought they were stronger than they were. They were only, I think, 850, and that was nowhere near enough. I mean, you've seen my interiors full of wood. They were bottoming out and absolutely everything. They were not up to spec. So I put them up for sale. A guy bought them. He's got a completely stripped out van. It's just literally a seat in the back and nothing more. And these come up. So I sold them. Sold the other springs for what I paid for them. I wasn't going to rip anyone off. And then these come up for the same price. £1,000. I still think these are going to be a bit light, but they're definitely £150 heavier weight rating than the other ones, so they're definitely going to be better. Ideally I want to be getting about 1200s, I think, but we need to get this thing back on 4s, so I don't like the look of it like that. I'll put you there. We're going to get this done. In fact, I might do one better. Ready? Just like that. For you. To be fair, it only took like 10 minutes. I have one on the front down, can't really see it. But that just needs to settle. And the important bit, I'm down where I need to be on the back. Nice and tucked again. So I'm going to quickly go clean up because they're a bit dirty. And then I'm going to go over and get these wheels over to Matt, go see him for a minute. And then possibly attack that interior. Hopefully that comes down on the journey because I don't like that wheel gap. Right. Guess I'll see you when I get to Matt's. Well, they're all packed and I'm now here. Oh yeah, shut up Matt, you fucking bellend. I've made it over to see Matt, who has been a busy boy since we last seen him. Hi Matt.
Hey.
But it is now one colour. It's all one colour.
Oh no,
It's nearly one colour.
There you go.
But I love that colour, I'm going to be honest.
It's getting there, isn't it?
No good job. I like it.
It looks slightly less like pink.
I like this
I'm now
colour.
no longer afraid to drive it. By afraid I
You
mean
need to get a
I
new
lots of security
new emblem.
New emblem.
You need to get a new emblem.
Oh, like yours.
Like my. That's how it did look. And that is now how it does look. Matt's done a good job. He's done it all with a rattle can as well.
Back gold, baby.
And a very good job. It's nice, isn't it?
I like it. Big fan. Have you got
Yeah.
one for the back as well?
Yeah, it's a red though.
Nice.
But I haven't painted where it goes. So behind here, it's not actually painted. It's still the purple colour that the van was. That's the one that's going to go there.
That is naughty. Oh, and he's even pre-chopped the holes for you. This bloke is good. Oh.
Look alright with that.
Oh wow, yours actually like works.
But I was gonna.
Oh yes.
Right.
To be fair, it looks like it's been super glued on before.
Looks like it's about to be super glued on again.
What a man doth need in his life is a set of fives.
No.
Don't do fours. That's just stupid.
Lies. What you need is ground clearance.
Or rather, what you don't.
Or lack thereof. But the reason I come around here is to drop Matt's wheels off and look at his paint job. And I'm very impressed with the paint job. I'm not quite sure how well it's going to show up on camera. Apparently Matt's neighbour's having a rave. But that does look pretty cool.
Absolute nightmare. I will do something about that. In fact, in the kitchen are Shane's plates ready to go. I just need £319 exactly. And I will be
For what?
The VW monkeys.
For what?
Fives, short sharks. Well, no, I'm going to go sixes. Short sharks.
Shut up, Matt. Don't talk to me anymore. No.
Watching our content. Sixes, short sharks,
That looks cool.
and
We're not listening to Matt and his crap story.
no, I don't tend to do that. That's a bad idea, isn't it?
I haven't come round here to be criticised. Fair play to Matt for his nice green, what is it, army green? What colour is this?
NATO green, I doth believe. It says on the top there. NATO green.
NATO green, you ain't going to see
Goes
that.
on like an absolute dream.
So there's that all sorted out, drop those wheels off. I know Matt's going to be painting them very soon, so looking forward to that. Also very impressed with the colour that he's painted his van, all out of a rattle can. There's a bit tiger marky all over it, or tiger prints, but I do like that, it looks really nice. He's done a good job with that. I'm going to stop rambling, get back and get some woodwork done before those lot come back from the park, because they're all down there having a picnic and seeing their mates and what have you. So yeah, I'll see you when I get back home. Well, that's me back now. It was quite nice to go over and see Matt and see his progress. We ended up just having a chat, and that's why I didn't really film anymore. But time to get this done. I need to measure the bits for the back. I might show you how I do one of them. I won't show you the whole lot because that's just going to be boring. But anyway, I'll show you how I get this done, try and get it boxed in, and then we need to figure out how to do a door. I think I'm going to put a couple of hinges here and then open from this side. That should be quite cool, but let's get this thing boxed in. Oh, I could just do a sitting down and drinking beer really, but let's get on with this. I'm hoping you guys are going to be able to see this, but all I do, go up behind like that. You probably can't see this bit. And then just measure that. That's the mark I made. Mark that across and cut it. And then that we need to get screwed in just about there. Perfect. And then repeat that for about 6 pieces, I reckon. It's not that bad. I think I do need to sand a little bit more wood, but we've got enough. So I'm going to get on with that. And then once I've done it, I'll pick the camera back up and show you. Wish me luck. So, done a little bit more cutting, done a little bit more sanding, done a little bit more of everything. Went and picked everybody up and finished this off. And this is how we're looking. Added like a little random tail over this side. In fact, let's turn it around. All sanded. I haven't bothered sanding the inside because what is the point? You're not going to see it. But all looks nice. There you go. That's that little taily bit I showed you. And I even have this. And that's what it looks like from behind the seat. Looks quite good. Fits nice. Seat belt still works. But as you can see, there's a big gap up there. Not no more. So I need to screw that in. Make sure it's secure. But that is that. Put the seat back to where it's supposed to be, which is there. And then that is that done. I'm happy with this. I've ordered the screws. I need to go pick them up tomorrow after work. Where it's literally screw fix is like right next door to where I work, so I'll pick them up. And then I can screw this base in and then look at making the door. I might make the shelves actually. I'm going to put probably two shelves in there. One sort of about there. One just there at the bottom. I've got like a nice little cubby for stuff. And then the door, hopefully if I put you back here, I can show you. Does that look alright? Yeah. So the door, I'm going to put the whole way across and then come down here. Move that out of the way. And it's going to come down this side, get right up close to the side bit and across the front. So when you open it, the whole front pivots open. And then you can use this for like taller cubby space. That is the plan, Stan. So I need to pick up those screws tomorrow. And then that should be mostly-ish done. The hard part of it's done anyway. Well, the door's going to be a pain in the ass. But I'm happy with today. Lowered the van. Got it sitting nice again. There's a bit of a clunk coming from the back, so I need to look at that. Maybe I haven't tightened up the strap enough and the springs got a little wobble. But I'm happy with that. Even had the family in there, and with the speed bumps that are out the front, which I have to pretty much stop to crawl over, they actually said it was a really comfortable ride considering it's nice and low. So yeah, I'm happy with that. Oh, that's it for today, I think. I think we've done quite a lot today. All I've really got to do is screw that in before I start the next step, so I'll leave that there. Don't really need to show you that. But everyone's already in the house. I think they've had too much sun today, not used to it. Being in lockdown and not being out of the house as much, everyone's quite tired. But I'm also going to go in and join them. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give this video a massive thumbs up, guys. It doesn't cost anything and it massively helps the channel grow. So go hit that thumbs up for me, please. And if you're interested in those emblems, it is the top link in the description. I'll make sure I always put it there. Mention Prance Project when you go to the checkout and when you go into pay, and you get 20% off. So can't complain at that. Anyway, I'm going to go. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Thank you very much for interaction, as you always do. I absolutely love you to bits. Thank you very much, and I'll see you on the next one. Take it easy.